Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. Today's video is on how to use your rear seat occupant alert in the 2021 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an LX all-wheel drive in Onyx Black. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is head into the instrument panel. I'm going to use the buttons here on the steering wheel to control it. So I'm going to scroll over to the user settings. I'm going to head down into convenience. And I'm going to make sure that rear occupant alert is checkmarked on. You don't have to use it if you don't want to use it, but now that it's activated, when I go to turn off the vehicle and I go to open the door, it will ping on the instrument panel to remind you to check your rear seats, because you just want to make sure that you haven't left anything important back there. For the trim levels that have the 10.25 inch widescreen, we can head into setup on the infotainment screen. We're going to go into vehicle, and then on the left we'll scroll to convenience, and we'll make sure that that's checkmarked on. Thank you all very much for watching. We all appreciate it. Please go ahead and hit that like button, and then make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. And please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.